Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Verasity here. I'd like to apologise for not being here for the past few days. I have been on a trip, but I am back now and taking a look at the charts. As we can see, as soon as I left, a lot of stuff started to happen. A lot of shit hit the fan, so to speak. Obviously, with the Silvergate bank going quite literally bankrupt on a bank run, we can see that Verasity did continue to the downside in correlation with Bitcoin having a nice little, continuation, really sweeping out a lot of this low end, nonsense that we did need to see retested. As I said when we were having this big pump, and I will continue to say it, I did actually say that, once you have a big move to the upside like this, the chance of a big retracement is likely. Very, very parabolic move here, and obviously with the overextension after that coiling motion, as I've said numerous times, we got stuck under that 1 cent level once we got up to it. And then since then we've been retracing, looking for a key level of support really, haven't we? For Verasity, it's pretty obvious that we did need to see some of these lows here being swept out, because it's quite clear that this was a very unsustainable move that did need a good amount of back testing before getting a bounce. We can see here for Verasity, if we look at the chart, it's pretty obvious that we got down just red day after red day for essentially, almost a month here really, isn't it? Just continuously down, 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 down. Really just looking for that proper back-tested level. And then, as you can see here, with Bitcoin having that nice move to the downside to sweep out some of those lows, you can see we come down here for Verasity perfectly pretty much to the 0.23 Fibonacci here, which was at around half a cent, essentially a 50% retracement from that swing high that we got up to at around 1.1 cents there. So a 50% retracement pretty much off the back of this move. You can obviously see we had a 5x here from a fifth of a cent up to around 1.1 cents. A really nice move, obviously stuck under that 1 cent level. Big psychological resistance. We have a 50% retracement back down, and as you can see, that is sitting perfectly at the 0.23 Fibonacci there. Very, very, very nice back tested level, and I did say I had a long position ready here, a much larger long position. I am averaging in to a long position in Verasity right now. You can see we came down pretty much perfectly to it. Got the overextension, but we wicked all the way back up onto it, and then since then we've had a nice little bounce, haven't we, to the upside. Right now retesting this previous swing low support as resistance, aren't we? Looking like we might be getting a bit stuck under our EMAs right now. As you can see, they are very, very, very close together right now, and we are currently stuck under them, which is quite interesting to see. But right now, as I said, Verasity looking like it's having a very decent bounce off that 0.23 level. And I did say numerous times we'd probably get a decent bounce here, because obviously you can see my positions I highlighted. These have been on the charts for weeks now, waiting for these to be basically filled. These long positions you can see here have been filled here and here on these two key levels, and now been filled for a much larger position on the 0.23. I think I'm currently sitting at around break even, because obviously I'm averaging into larger positions as we do continue down. Currently sitting at around break even because of this very nice bounce to the upside. And we are just waiting to see what happens next really in the markets, aren't we? We could either see ourselves break back up like this. I've got a sneaking feeling that Bitcoin's going to head back up and retest that 25k level. And if that was the case, I do think Verasity would at least come up to that 0.38 Fibonacci level there. In which case I'd be in a very nice amount of profit on my long positions. Average entry probably around here by now. But realistically I would say, if Bitcoin continues to roll over, we're at least going to get a back test here, maybe even a continuation back down to retest the bear market resistance as support, because we haven't retested it yet, and it does need to be retested in my opinion. This was way too parabolic, wasn't it? And these levels probably do need to be touched before we can get true upside for Verasity. But as I said, right now, really are just waiting for Bitcoin, seeing what it does in the markets. And obviously the CPI on Tuesday is going to cause absolute chaos probably as well. As we can see on here, it has been highlighted. Closed door emergency Fed meeting. That can't be good. Lots of catalysts in the markets right now that could cause all kinds of chaos. So we're just waiting and seeing right now. But that is it for today, guys. There's really not that much to say, other than, we've broken out of this local resistance as well, which is your first step to, a bit more continued upside. Nice back test here. Maybe could get the bouncing continuation, or, the rejection and continuation to the downside if Bitcoin rolls over with some craziness in the market. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to our private Discord where I'm hanging out most days with other investors, so if you do want to get a bit of an edge on the markets, that is a great way to do so and support the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.